Hello, my dear children. How are you all doing today? So, today we are going to do some worksheets on comparison and patterns. Shall we start?
Few. So Addy, can you read the question? Keep your index finger and read.
Tick the set that has many.
Very good. So shall we start? First you have to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So which has many? You have to tick it. Come on. Very good. So what is the next one here?
Stars.
Okay, count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So which has many?
8.
Okay. Very good. So shall we read the next question?
Tick the set. Tick the set that has few.
Very good. Come on. What is the first one we have here?
Candy.
Okay. Count it.
1, 2.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3.
So which we have to take? Which has?
Few.
Okay, come on, do it.
2.
Yes. Next.
Flowers.
Very good. Louder.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so which you have to take?
4.
Very good. So parents, whenever you're giving the worksheet, ask them to read the question. So ask them to keep the index finger and they can start reading. Even they have to count it and they have to tell the number which is few and which is many. So now we'll go on to the next worksheet. So this is the next worksheet that we have. So first one is Addy. Shall we read the question? Keep your index finger and read.
Circle the small one.
Okay, so what shape is this?
Hearts.
Okay. Which you have to? Small. Next, what is this?
Card.
Okay. The next one is?
Ball.
Very good. So this is match the following. So I have given some patterns here. So he has to match it according to the pattern. Okay. So where is the first pattern, Addy? Do it. The next pattern. Okay. The next one. Next. Very good. This is the next worksheet. This is copy the pattern. So I have given some patterns here. So Addy has to copy the same pattern in the given dots. Okay. So shall we start, Addy? First read the question.
Copy the patterns.
Very good. So first pattern you have to copy. Come on, do it. Little dark, you do it. Good. So shall we go for the next one? Very good. Next. Very good. So here also it is copy the pattern. Here Addy has to color it accordingly. Okay, so shall we start, Addy? Addy, start. Here the child has to observe the color and he has to color it. Okay, start. Very good. Next is which color?
Blue.
Yes. Very good. Next is which color?
Pink.
Very good. So we are going for the next pattern. So you can give boxes like this. Any patterns you can color according to that. The child will be coloring here. So Addy, shall we start? Yes. Do it. See the pattern and you have to color it. Good. Next. Okay. Next. Very good. This helps the child to observe and they can do it. If you have some coloring activity like this in the worksheet, they will enjoy doing the worksheets. Very good. So shall we go? What are the shapes you have here, Addy? What is the shape here?
Circle, triangle, rectangle, heart.
Very good. So shall we start coloring? What is the first color?
Pink.
Where you will color pink? In which shape?
Circle.
Okay, do it. So you can ask these questions also while doing the worksheet. Okay, very good, Addy. What is the next color you're going to color?
Blue.
Okay, which is blue?
Triangle.
Very good. Very good. Next?
Green.
Which shape is that?
Rectangle.
Very good. And the last shape is?
Heart.
Very good.
Red.
Good. So parents, like this you can give the worksheet for the children, so they will love to do it when you have some colorings, when you have some patterns and all. So even the observation and the concentration skill of the child will be improving. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Have a nice day. Take care and bye bye.